Okay, so we are going to do the next program, which identify matrix. So the identified matrix nothing but we are going to print the value in diagonal, like in the diagonal shape. So let's consider 0 0 0. So I will just print into the diagonal shape is 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, so in this shape, in this fashion, sorry, it's mistake here, 0 and here 1. Okay, so in this way we're going to print the number. Okay, so in this is the diagonal. So we're going to print the, or this is called the identity matrix. So we're going to print this in this way. So that is the expected output. So let's do the program. Okay, so first take the number. So now is equal to integer, type input, for I in range from 0 to whatever the number we are going to print, that is num. Okay, so first that we are going to take the number. Again we are going to create another for loop. Okay, to print it is j, and the same thing, the number range 0 into num. Okay, that's the things. Now we're going to check if I and j are equal. So we're going to print it. If I is equal to j, print the I value, print I comma steps length 0 end. It's going to print in horizontal line this steps and end. Okay, so if not, just print the 0, else if not I and j is not equal to, then we are going to print the 0. So steps 0 step. Okay, and at the end we are going to print for statement. So we say 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can say instead of 1 I, we can say it's 1. Okay, so it will going to print for 1. So this is the diagonal 1 1 1 1 1, this fashions. Okay, or we can say print for 3. Okay, 1 1 1. This was the expected output, and this is also we get the expected output. So here we use the nested for loop. Okay, so nested for loop going to check every time the position of matrix or position of number are equal to the same. So I is equal to j means if the i's value and j's value equal to position are same, then we are going to print 1, otherwise it's going to print the 0. So we have 3 times I and j value are equal, so 1 2 and 3. So these are the based on matrix we are going to print this diagonal matrix. So that's very pretty, program is pretty simple. So thank you for watching and subscribing my channel.